Are you ready to take control of your finances and start building credit the smart way in 2026? Welcome to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about money, saving, and smart spending. Today, we're diving into the best credit cards for beginners, comparing no annual fee options, reward programs, and insider tips that will help you choose the perfect first card. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just starting your financial journey, these tips are tailored to make your first steps easy and rewarding. Get ready to unlock the secrets to maximizing benefits while avoiding common beginner mistakes, all in one guide that's designed to empower you financially. Don't forget to subscribe now to join our growing community of savvy moneymakers. 7. Understanding no annual fee cards. No annual fee cards are perfect for beginners because they allow you to explore credit without the pressure of extra yearly costs. They let you build your credit history safely while enjoying basic rewards and benefits. Even without flashy perks, these cards provide essential tools like fraud protection, online account management, and easy payment options. Choosing the right no annual fee card is crucial because it sets the foundation for your credit journey. Beginners can avoid unnecessary debt while still learning to manage monthly payments. The simplicity of no annual fee cards helps you focus on credit utilization and timely payments. Some of these cards even offer introductory bonuses or cashback rewards, which is a great way to earn while spending responsibly. Understanding the interest rates and grace periods is also important to prevent surprises. By starting with a no annual fee card, you minimize risks while gaining valuable financial experience. Additionally, using these cards responsibly helps establish a strong credit score early on, which can open doors to better financial opportunities. They are easy to manage and reduce the anxiety that often comes with more complex credit products. Many cards also come with educational resources to guide beginners through credit building. Over time, you can graduate to cards with more rewards or travel perks once you feel confident. The straightforward nature of no annual fee cards allows you to practice budgeting and tracking expenses effectively. They also provide a safe environment to learn about interest accrual and billing cycles. Beginners can gradually experiment with small purchases to understand how credit works in real life. Overall, these cards act as a stepping stone toward a healthy and sustainable financial future. 6. Evaluating rewards programs. Rewards programs vary widely, so beginners should pick cards that match their spending habits. Cashback cards are simple and straightforward, giving a percentage back on purchases automatically. Travel reward cards are ideal for those who fly often, providing miles or points redeemable for flights or hotel stays. Understanding categories for bonus rewards is key to maximizing benefits. Some cards offer extra points on groceries, gas, or online shopping, which can add up quickly. Beginners should consider how easy it is to redeem points or cashback. Complex rewards programs can be confusing and discourage consistent usage. Always check if points expire or if there are restrictions on redemption. Many cards offer introductory multipliers, which can give a head start in earning rewards. Evaluating annual fees versus potential rewards is crucial for beginners to avoid overspending. It's also important to read reviews from other users to see real-life experiences with the card. Some cards offer additional perks like purchase protection, extended warranties, or travel insurance. Beginners should be aware of credit score requirements to qualify for certain cards. Monitoring spending and rewards regularly helps ensure you are maximizing benefits. Setting reminders for point expiration dates prevents losing earned rewards. Finally, combining a rewards card with a budgeting strategy can help beginners stay financially disciplined while earning extra perks. 5. Introductory APR offers. Many beginner cards offer low or 0% introductory APRs on purchases or balance transfers. This is a great way to manage larger expenses or pay off existing debt without accruing high interest. Understanding the duration of these offers is crucial because rates will increase afterward. Beginners can leverage these offers to build credit responsibly while avoiding unnecessary interest. Paying attention to balance transfer fees or purchase restrictions is important. Introductory APRs give you breathing room to adjust to credit card payments. Using this period wisely helps establish a solid repayment habit. Avoid carrying balances beyond the promotional period to prevent high interest charges. These offers can be especially beneficial for planned big purchases like electronics or travel. Make sure to calculate how much you need to pay each month to fully utilize the 0% APR. Keeping track of the expiration date ensures you don't accidentally incur interest. 4. Credit limit considerations. Your credit limit affects how much you can spend and impacts your credit utilization ratio. For beginners, starting with a modest limit is ideal to prevent overspending. A low utilization ratio, ideally under 30%, helps maintain a healthy credit score. Beginners should request a limit that suits their monthly budget to avoid debt traps. Higher limits provide flexibility but require disciplined spending. Monitoring your balance relative to the credit limit is crucial. Some cards allow automatic credit line increases with good payment history. This rewards responsible usage while gradually building your credit. Avoid maxing out your card, as it negatively affects your score. Making timely payments and keeping balances low show lenders you're reliable. Beginners should treat the credit limit as a guideline, not a spending target. Use alerts or budgeting apps to track spending in real time. 3. Fees and hidden charges. Beginner credit card users must understand potential fees and hidden costs. Common fees include late payment penalties, foreign transaction fees, and cash advance charges. Reading the fine print ensures you avoid unexpected expenses. Some cards waive fees for the first year, which can be beneficial for new users. Hidden charges can significantly reduce rewards or cashback benefits. Avoiding unnecessary fees preserves your financial growth and learning experience. Always set up alerts to avoid late payments and overdrafts. Check if your card charges inactivity fees, which some beginners overlook. Knowing which transactions are free or penalized is essential. Some rewards cards have higher fees that outweigh the benefits if you're not a frequent spender. Understanding annual fees, even for no annual fee cards, helps prevent surprises. Certain promotional offers may carry hidden conditions, so read thoroughly. 2. Security features. Credit card security is crucial for beginners, especially in today's digital world. Look for cards with MV chip technology, contactless payments, and fraud monitoring. Many cards offer zero liability on unauthorized purchases, protecting your money. Alerts via app notifications or email can immediately notify you of suspicious activity. Virtual card numbers provide additional protection for online shopping. Beginners should enable two-factor authentication for their online accounts. Some cards include ID theft protection or purchase protection for added safety. Reporting lost or stolen cards promptly avoids potential financial loss. Understanding these security features ensures confidence in using your card daily. Many cards also have automatic card locking options in case of suspected fraud. Using secure online portals for payments prevents unauthorized access. Keep personal information private and avoid sharing card details unnecessarily. 1. Building credit history. The ultimate goal of your first credit card is to establish a solid credit history. Making timely payments, keeping low balances, and using your card regularly are key factors. A healthy credit history opens doors to loans, mortgages, and higher-tier credit cards in the future. Beginners should focus on responsible habits rather than rewards alone. Consistent payment behavior shows lenders you are reliable. Using a card for essential monthly expenses and paying in full builds trustworthiness. Avoid closing old cards too quickly, as length of credit history matters. Checking your credit score periodically helps track progress. Beginners can combine their first card with other small credit lines responsibly. Over time, your credit score improves, leading to better financial opportunities. A good credit history reduces interest rates on future loans. Paying attention to utilization, timing, and responsible spending ensures long-term growth. Credit education empowers beginners to avoid common pitfalls. Thank you for watching our complete guide on the best credit cards for beginners in 2026. We've covered everything from no annual fee options, rewards programs, paper offers, credit limits, fees, security features, and building a strong credit history. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community so you never miss practical advice that can save you money and boost your financial confidence. Remember, starting smart now will pay off for years to come. And using your credit wisely can open doors to better financial opportunities and rewards.